Yo, what is up everybody and welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can create an outro. And like, look, let me just go to my YouTube channel. See, I made my icon through this, I made my banner through this, and I make all my thumbnails through this, and I made my intro through this, and I made my outro through this. So, how do you do this? Okay, you go to canva.com. Okay, now you can create YouTube anything. And like, I would recommend signing in. I just signed in with my Google account, so yeah. And then you can do lots of stuff like this, like channel art, YouTube channel art. This is your banner. So basically, you gotta, YouTube channel art. Okay, so now you gotta choose a template. So in my thing, I use this template. So you just gotta quickly use template, and then you can just try. I just changed mine to a Joker Anish, and then at the top over here you can change the color. I changed it to green because it stands out more, and plus you can also change the size over here. I'm just gonna like really change it up. Yeah, really up there. I'm just gonna keep clicking that. Yeah. Okay, now on the left you can see templates, elements, uploads. So these are uploads. You can click upload media and then click device and photo library, and then you can choose anything from your photo library. Like for example, this photo. I'm just saving this photo for when I hit the first video for 1,000 views, and then you can just import it in. And if you actually want to just delete it, then click on it and then click the delete button. So yeah, and then you can add like so much cool stuff, texts. There's lots of cool fonts. There's some stuff that costs money, but there's also a lot of cool stuff that's for free. Okay, like this one's for free. I'm gonna do like and sub. Okay, I'm not gonna change this to my actual banner because I think I'm okay with my actual banner, but like, and then you can just change it and make it bigger. You can do anything, and then you can just change the color, you know. Actually, I might have to change this looks actually really cool. Here, you can just change the color. I'm gonna try finding a really cool color because I actually want to make this into my thing because I just realized it actually looks really cool. So I'm just gonna like find a good color that stands out, you know, and stuff. The best one so far is cyan. Yeah, let's just go with cyan. Okay, now when you're done, you just gotta click download and wait for it to download. Okay, now click the download here. You don't have to try Canva Pro, it's fine. Okay, now go to the top. If you're in Safari, you can do this on mobile, like iOS. Go to top where it's downloads and click on this. And then you can just save the image. Yeah, I saved the image. So now that I saved the image, I can change it. And I already have a whole YouTube video about how to do stuff in YouTube Studio, how to change stuff and other stuff, you know. Oh gosh. But you can only see the like and sub part if you're on TV, because like, yeah, it's YouTube, okay? It's not my fault. So I'm just gonna, yeah. And then you can create some other stuff. Let me just show you. Okay, now you're done with that. You don't need that anymore. So let me show you some other cool stuff, like YouTube icon. Why not? So I'll show you how I made my YouTube. I'll show you how I made my YouTube icon. I mean, it's basically the exact same stuff. I don't think I need to go over to all the stuff because I already did it with you guys. It's all templates, you know. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys the YouTube intro, and then I'll show you the outro. I didn't really make my YouTube outro. So my YouTube outro, Green Nation, you guys know him. So hopefully you do. So he made the outro, and then he showed us how to make it, do all this stuff. So yeah. So credit to him in the description because he showed us how to do all this stuff, me and my friends. And now that's your intro, you can choose a template. Now the template that I used for mine, my intro template, was this one where it's a Super Falcon. You guys can use it too. It's free, by the way. And then you can just try changing stuff here. You just need to click on it, and And for mine, I just did Ayo, Anish. I need to, by the way, I'm not just doing this for intent. Yeah, I'm actually changing, because, like, you know, I changed my YouTube channel name to Anish too. So yeah, I need to change it. Like, bruh. Like. Subscribe, see? And now it's gotta change this. Enjoy the video. And then at the top right, you click download. And then wait for it to download. I hate waiting for it to download because it takes so long, but it's not really that long, you know. Oh, and by the way, you can also change some stuff. It's not just this. Like you can click on the whole thing, and then there's this button like crop, you know, flip, and here I'll show you guys like thumbnail. The thumbnail, you can do lots of stuff. Let's see this. Okay, I want to see this. Yeah, see, it's good. So now I'm just gonna save video, and now I can use that on every single one. Now I'm gonna show you the YouTube outro. It's basically the same thing, but like there's some other cool stuff, and also I need to make one too. So there's lots of other templates, you know. This is the one that Suas made for me, you know. He just changed the colors a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna change the colors. I think I can keep this. Thanks for watching. Keep that. And then change this to red. Change this to red. And then, bruh. Okay, now change this. Anish Gaming. I'm gonna change the text to it because like red's kind of my thing, you know. It's my favorite color, so yeah. I'm pretty sure lots of people already knew that by now. I'm gonna make this cyan because I don't want to just all red. You know what I mean? No, not blue. Here, I'll stick with this one as red. Okay, I'm just gonna make this one cyan, and then this one I need to change the color, bruh. This thing. Okay. Now I don't really know how. Okay, now do this. I'm learning with you guys too. Okay, guys. So yeah, it's not. Yeah. How did he make my thing like that? Wait. Why is this still Anish Gaming? I need to change it. Bruh. Okay, Juker Anish. Juker. I changed my name to Juker Anish, guys, because like it actually shows up. You know, so no, bad. No, what's going on? What? Can I make this smaller? This is way too big. Okay, now that's a little too small. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Perfect. Oh, wait, hold on. Yes, I love it. Here, let's move this thing, hold on, a little bit to the left. Now I'm gonna move this thing over here. So this thing's in the middle, my title. Now, I don't know how Suas, wait, how did you do this? So see this stuff? Yeah, this stuff. I'm gonna, you know, you gotta change some stuff a little bit. Yeah, I'll just do none. Okay, this is what I have to change. Okay, I'm gonna make this one white, like what Suas did. Now you gotta put it like that. Yeah, it does. You do have to have some. It is a little bit hard to do, you know, but like once you get it, it's literally like all worth it. So yeah, because you get a cool stuff. Now I'll make this red. could just make it over, but like, dude, let's go. Now change this to red. And then guys, once you make an outro, it will be hard positioning your videos onto the actual thing, but you only have to do it once. And the reason for that is, well, if you're on mobile, it's gonna be hard because like on mobile, like you can't see it, but like once you get it correctly once, then you don't have to do it correctly anymore, because like next time you can just do import from different video or import from last video. So guys, I'm kind of liking it, you know, I'm liking it. So yeah, I'm gonna download this, and yeah, and it's downloading. Okay, so guys, it's done downloading, I think. No. Oh, it failed downloading. I don't know why that happens sometimes. Okay, it downloaded. So over here. How long even is it? It's 10 seconds. Okay, that's good. Save video. Let's go. Okay, so I really like it. So now, yeah, 10 seconds. Okay, now get this out of here. Okay. Now that's that out of the way. So now I need to create a. Now I'll show you some cool stuff about YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. I'll basically show you guys how I make my speedrun thumbnails, you know. So yeah, I'll show you how I make my speedrun thumbnails basically. So basically, so like, you know, so I go to YouTube and I go to my YouTube channel, obviously. I go to my speedrun video. And then normally when it's just blank, it just chooses a random thing. I take a picture of it and I crop it. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to crop using camera. And then once you do that, I just go here, upload media, device, photo library, and then choose that. Okay, so now that we add the in, I make it bigger, and I make the whole thing like that. And I'll show you guys how to blur and stuff. So you can do effects, you know, like you can change some effects. I don't really like doing that. Filter, you can use filter, adjust. This is the cool thing. You know, you can change the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, the tint. What I normally do is, I don't change anything else. The only thing I change is the blur. Because, like, I want it to be a little bit blurry. Because, like, I also want to put text over. So, like, I make it a little bit blurry. And then I go to texts. And I like this now open text over here. This is one of my favorite texts. And I just do house in... And I just do blah, blah, blah. Okay, and then I make this smaller because I don't want it to be too big. And then I adjust it to the correct size. Because, yeah, you want to adjust it to correct size. And then just put it in the middle and then you click download and you already know what to do. So, I'm pretty sure that's all of the cool stuff that you can actually do. Let's see some other YouTube stuff. Yeah, that's basically all except other than the other stuff. So, I hope you guys like this video and hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did, then click that like button, subscribe button, and notifications. Bye.